Make pattern, which is found with the pattern tools under the carving tab, is a function that allows you to create rastered patterns from any geometry that is placed on the board. Whether it's geometry created using the 3D modeling tools, patterns from your pattern library, or even vectors can be incorporated into this raster pattern. In order to incorporate the geometry into the pattern, they need to be grouped. And you'll notice that the icon for Make Pattern is only available when selecting a group and only the group. Simply click on the Make Pattern icon. A dialog will open up, allowing you to place the pattern wherever you wish in your pattern library and give it a name. Once the pattern has been created, it will appear in your pattern library. And very quickly and easily, you have created a 3D pattern.